What's up, guys? Today I want to tell you about this awesome 15-inch ceramic space heater from Dreo. Now they sent me this over to check out, so let's go ahead and take a look. Now, as far as what comes in the box, of course, you're going to get the space heater itself. You will get a nice quick start guide. You're going to get a full user's manual, and you will get a remote. And this remote does come with batteries, so you don't have to worry about that. Before we get into functionality and things like that, here is what the heater looks like. I do have the silver version, but it's also going to go ahead and come in a gold version as well. It's 15 inches tall, which I like. It's not one of those like super tall ones, but it's not super compact as well. So, you know, the one thing I love about this is that I use it under my desk when I'm working, and it not only gets heat on my feet, but my legs as well. So I definitely like that. It does have a nice little handle here that allows you to easily go ahead and pick it up as well. Now, this does feature oscillation, so we can go ahead and turn it on and turn on oscillation, and you're going to get 70 degrees of oscillation back and forth. So if you were trying to, you know, heat a room or something like that, this is going to give you heat, of course, all across the room, which is really nice there as well. Now we'll go ahead and turn that oscillation off. And this also has knockover protection. So say for some reason this gets knocked over on its side like this, what you'll see is that it says P4 on the front there, and it's going to beep at you. And when it does that, it turns the heating element off, and it will count down the fans to turn off as well. So a nice safety feature there, and that will fully go ahead and count down and then turn off. All of the controls are going to be on the top right here. These are all touch sensitive buttons. So let's go ahead and turn the unit on. So it's on, and you can see our power level, which is set at H2. Let's go up to H3. So there's H3, and that is how much power is being outputted. So this is going to be 1500 watts. Then we go to H2, and that's going to be 1300 watts. And then we go to H1, and that's going to be 1000 watts. And then you just see the fan icon. That means just fan only. So no heat, just fan. Now on each one of these, say we go all the way up to H3, you can adjust the actual temperature level. So there's plus and minus here. So we can go minus and turn it down, and we can go plus and turn it up. The highest heat that you can go to is 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Really easy to go ahead and do that. Now, of course, we have oscillation, which I did show you, but again, that button's right here. And that's going to allow the unit to fully oscillate. Let's wait until it goes all the way back so you guys can see everything. So we can go back here and stop the oscillation, and we have a timer. So you can set intervals of 1 hour all the way up to 12 hours for this to turn off. So as you can see, I'm going up in the hours as I press it, all the way up to a total of 12 hours, and then we can fully go ahead and turn that off. Really easy to do there. We can also turn the sounds off. So if we don't want sounds for some reason, hit that, and now the sounds are off. So if I adjust the temperature, you can see now I don't have any sounds. We'll turn the sounds back on, and now I have sounds. Very easy to go ahead and do that. There's also a lock. So you hold the lock for 3 seconds. It will count down for you. And now it's locked. So if I want to go ahead and adjust the temperature, it's going to tell me every time I try that it's locked. You hold in the lock icon again, and now you're unlocked. So that is the functionality. All of that can be done with the included remote. And as I said, this remote does come with batteries, so you don't have to worry about that as well, but everything can be done with the remote as well. And then when you are done, you just go ahead and turn it off, and it's going to turn the heating element off and then count down for 30 seconds and turn the entire unit off. When it's all said and done, I really like this space heater. I do like its compact size, but I don't like it that it's so small that it can't get heat on my legs when I use it here in the office. And I've been using it here in the office mostly, and it's definitely more than powerful enough to heat this entire room. So if you're using this for an office, for a bedroom, maybe something like a camper, you're going to be covered with this thing, no problem. It's extremely easy to use, and I really like the safety features as well. So if you are looking for a compact space heater, this is one that I would definitely recommend.